Ain't no more. I'm gonna burn him.
Look, hot water is bad medicine.
So is rock salt. Now, give him them.
What's the matter? He giving you boys a hard time?
Well, I'm fixing to burn his studs, but he won't give them to me. Mr. Wooster's got a fine outfit for him, too.
Won't even get in the water. He smells like a wolf cub.
Come on, Rome. A little water won't hurt you none.
He makes too much noise.
Hey, you want to see Molly, don't you? From what I hear, she's all dressed up like society stuff. You gotta look the part, too. Among other things.
Will we go back to see her?
I promise.
All right.
See how easy it is?
Now, that's more like it. Get in there and I'll heat some more water. Come on. Go on now. Get in that tub. Get out of here. That ain't decent. Get away from here. Come on.
Whoa there.
I'm sorry, Mr. Hawks.
Hey, you better put a bridle on this filly, Freeman.
Well, sometimes I ought to. Maribel, what have you been... Now, you stay away from him, girl.
Oh, I wasn't doing anything, Father.
You know, your pa's right. Rome's a good kid by his own standard. But his standard happens to be Comanche right now.
He's not an Indian. You said so yourself.
Sure. But he thinks he is. Now, you mind your paw. Let's go look at that horse.